Fix error code 2048 in Call of Duty Warzone and Modern Warfare. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check the server status. Fix 2. Check your internet connection.